Punjabi has a special letter, rara, and it's different from the regular rara. Unlike rara, which is a soft r sound, this letter is pronounced by flicking your tongue outward off the roof of your mouth, like this. Ra, 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 ra. So my tongue slightly touches the roof of my mouth before it's flicked outwards twice. Here are some examples to practice. Gurdy, gurdy, pahad, pahad, kiri, kiri, koda, koda. Hold your tongue back for a second before releasing it because this helps you practice the retroflex sound. Ra, ra. Rara is definitely one of the trickier sounds, but with practice, it becomes easier.